Hello, welcome to the House of Mini. Today I am going to speak about a very different kind of, not a tool, but something that I use quite frequently to clean my brushes. And this was like a treasure find for me. And I really suggest that if you're working on any kind of paints or any kind of medium that you are using, be it watercolor, acrylic, oil, um, inks, any kind of it, this product keeps your brushes clean and long lasting. So what I am going to show you today is with watercolors, but you can use this with any medium and the brushes remain clean. You do not have to worry about anything. So this is the one that I'm talking about. It's known as the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver. I'm not sure. B&J specially prepared. You can order it online. I am pretty sure that it's available in India in Amazon or any specialty art store, but this is something that you really want to invest in, even if it's a little expensive, maybe like 950 or 1050, but make sure that you invest. This will last very long. This that I have is with me for nearly 2 years, and I'm pretty sure it's going to last me another 2-3 years. So it's an investment worth making. I'll just show you a demo of how this brush gets cleaned. Very easy and very fast. Now let's pick up a darker color so it's easier for you guys to see. And what I do is dip in water, and you can see the brush. It's so clean and it is very well preserved. This brush also I have been using for nearly 2-3 years, but you can see the bristles have remained very nice. So I would suggest that if you're into any kind of art, craft, miniatures, this is definitely a good investment to make, and your brushes will really remain clean and neat. I hope this will help. If you have any questions, to ask me. Thank you.